Welcome once again to the show, fellow viewers. Make sure you stay connected to us on Instagram at BronxNetTV, at Foodie Down Bronx, and follow me at the Hungry Dominican. On today's Valentine's-themed show, we're heading to the Bronx's very own romantically delicious neighborhood in Belmont, or what people consider to be the real Little Italy, where I explore my love of food. But before we take our trip down there, let's dig into some Chew News. If you're looking to have a nice, affordable Valentine's Day, the first ever Arthur Avenue Winter Restaurant Week kicked off on February 3rd, and it runs through February 13th. Academy Award-nominated Bronx actor Chaz Palminteri and the Consul General of Italy in New York, Francesco Genuardi, joined the Belmont bid at Antonio's Trattoria to celebrate the event. And last week, Mario's Restaurant hosted the inaugural kickoff. Let's check it out.
If you're looking for traditional, delicious Italian food, it's no secret that Little Italy in the Belmont section of the Bronx is where you have to go. And now you have a chance to enjoy Italian fare at a discounted price during Little Italy in the Bronx's inaugural Winter Restaurant Week. The event kicked off at Mario's Restaurant on Arthur Avenue.
People love this neighborhood. People love the ambiance and authenticity of Arthur Avenue. People love the restaurants and the food, and I'm proud to see the business owners return that love with Restaurant Week.
It's important, I think, for the neighborhoods to have some sort of a presence so that people can, know the neighborhoods. This is really a neighborhood, and we want people to come and understand and appreciate the vibrancy of the various communities within the borough, and this is one way to do it.
8 participating family-owned and operated Italian restaurants on the historic Arthur Avenue welcome visitors and locals to enjoy 3-course, prix-fixe lunch and dinners at discounted rates at this first ever Restaurant Week for Little Italy.
For the most part, we try and keep that old school Italian, grandma's cooking, the kind that fills your belly, makes you want to think that you're sitting at dinner with grandma.
I'm probably the young and smaller restaurant in this area, and I see a lot of people, they love us, and I like to participate with all these events and stuff like this happening in Arthur Avenue.
The restaurants, along with the Belmont Business Improvement District, aim to not only continue attracting tourists to the neighborhood, but urge locals to visit as well.
This neighborhood is a unique neighborhood in that, we're almost like a separate little island here. We're part of the Bronx, we're part of the city, but also part of the whole tri-state community, more or less, and we certainly get tons of visitors from out of the country, from the tri-state area, but I think there's a lot of people in the Bronx that haven't been up here yet, and this makes it a little easier, a little more affordable, and everyone's welcome. It's a party, so the more the merrier.
I tell everyone that they have to come here. They need to experience this. It's a bucket list. It's a bucket list thing. I mean, people look at me and laugh. I go, no. You have to come here. You have to walk through the neighborhood. You have to go into each and every shop, each and every restaurant, because the truth is everybody's friendly here. So even if you don't buy anything, you could talk to them. They'll tell you their story, their history, and you'll get that good experience.
Little Italy in the Bronx's inaugural Winter Restaurant Week will be taking place Monday through Thursdays between February 3rd to February 13th. For a list of participating restaurants and menus, visit BronxLittleItaly.com. Reporting for BronxNet, Sanji Lopez.
All right, folks, that is this week's Chew News, giving you a little food for thought. Stay tuned. When we return, we'll head out to the streets for some Valentine's Day grub. Foodie Down Bronx will be right back.